They're here, the couple. The oldest crow at the airport is here. Here they go. The male is alive and well. So is the female. They've been here for over 20 years, these crows. And she's always yelling at them. There's the male right there, and she is always screaming at him. But they're a fixture here for over 20 years at LAX. LAX crow mascots. When I see these guys, I get all happy. All right, they're off. They are off. Where are they going? Oh, there's more crows. You never really see four here. Got some friends came over to see them. Rarely see four crows. It's probably their offspring. You know they have a lot of offspring. All right, so that's about it. Tony Bear watching the crows at LAX. Amazing.